Hello, I'm Peter Aziz, and I'm here to introduce my monthly magical membership on dealing with possession. Possession isn't always as dramatic as you might see in films like Exorcist. Often it manifests as simple negative thoughts in your mind which get amplified and keep causing problems. Thoughts that won't go away and become stronger and stronger, which then sabotage your life and you find things going wrong. It can cause you to lose energy, can't sleep, have nightmares. So all these little symptoms, although not as dramatic, can cause problems. People can, through sleeplessness, can lose energy and become ill. It can cause bad luck, failure at work. It can be a major problem. What this course is going to be about is teaching people how to recognize it, how to prevent it, how to cure it. Not only for those who experience it, but also for healers who have to deal with it in others. You see, quite often when a healer is dealing with somebody who's possessed, the person's entity might stop them from coming to you in the first place, so they never actually get there for healing. I'm going to be teaching a way of neutralizing this entity from a distance so it can't cause that trouble, so I can come and get it finally removed. I'm going to be given some powerful symbols and instructions for actually neutralizing entities from a distance, controlling them, also how to remove them, and also going to talk about what lets them in, what are the weaknesses that open to people to possession. We're going to have some methods of protecting yourself, also how to cut ties to the patient so you don't pick up their negativity. And we're going to include some magical techniques from very deep and ancient traditions which are able to control any kind of entity, no matter how powerful. So if anybody who's experienced any problem with the possession or healers who want to deal with other people who have possessions, this is for you. So I'll see you there.